Bullish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 41 cents to 52 cents. Cardano cost could reach $1 soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 23 cents. In this Cardano cost forecast 2023, we will dissect the value examples of ADA by utilizing precise broker cordial specialized examination pointers and furthermore foresee the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This reasonable blockchain utilizes the verification of stake agreement component, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. Ultimately, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an overhauled rendition of Ethereum's Brilliant Agreements organization. Also, it intends to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano opposition and backing levels. The outline given beneath clarifies the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Cardano in 2023. From the above diagram, we can examine and recognize the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels of Cardano for 2023. According to the above examination, in the event that Cardano's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of 52 cents. The specialized examination pointer relative volume is utilized to gauge the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is commonly determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predetermined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Additionally, it helps dealers in distinguishing strange exchanging action and changes market opinion. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Cardano was found underneath the end line. Subsequently, it means a feeble volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy marker is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout the course of recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid underneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Remarkably, in the above outline, the ADA cost lies over 50 MAMA, showing its upswing. Thus, ADA is in a bullish state, albeit this is the present status. A pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the general strength list. Fundamentally, this investigation pointer assists brokers with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by looking at the typical additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Thus, the readings over 70 demonstrate an overbought state, and under 30 show an oversold state. Fundamentally, merchants frequently utilize the RSI to recognize potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's heading. For example, assuming a resource is in an upturn and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might propose that the resource is expected for a pullback or remedy. On the other hand, on the off chance that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might recommend an expected inversion. At the hour of investigation, the RSI of ADA is at 53.92. Subsequently, this shows ADA is neither an overbought nor oversold state and is on the edge of slipping into the overbought state. To investigate the strength of the pattern force, let us observe the typical directional file. The ADX esteem is gotten from the two directional development pointers like plus DI and is communicated between 0 to 100. As per the information on the above graph, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 24.3618, bringing up a frail pattern. The above outline additionally shows another specialized pointer, the general unpredictability list. This marker estimates the instability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. Regarding the graph's information, the RVI of ADA lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Correlation of ADA with BTC. ETH. Let us currently analyze the value developments of Cardano with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of ADA is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of ADA additionally increments or diminishes separately. Cardano value expectation 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation pointers and pattern designs. Let us foresee the cost of Cardano somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that bulls rule the value force and pattern designs, Cardano could effectively test and outperform its obstruction levels to hit $2 by 2024. Cardano Cost Expectation 2025. The huge redesigns in the Cardano biological system could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Cardano cost to reach $4 by 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. If Cardano holds a positive market opinion in the midst of the profoundly unstable crypto market by driving critical cost rallies, then, at that point, ADA would hit $10 by 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Consequently, ADA could hit $12 by 2029. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the ADA cost could energize to $14 assuming the pattern energy adjusts for Cardano. Moreover, ADA would hold a positive market feeling and be named as a drawn-out speculation with profoundly productive return on initial capital investment. And if Cardano secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be positive for the digital money. Taking everything into account, the bullish Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 52 cents. Relatively, the negative Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 23 cents. On the off chance that there is a positive rise in the market energy and financial backers' opinion, then Cardano could hit $1. Moreover, with future redesigns and headways in the Cardano biological system, ADA could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 and mark its new ATH. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local cryptographic money of Cardano. Cardano is a savvy contract put together blockchain working with respect to the evidence of stake agreement sent off in 2017. 2. Where might you at any point purchase Cardano? Merchants can exchange Cardano on the accompanying cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bitfinex, and OKX. 3. Will Cardano record another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Cardano stage, Cardano has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cardano? Cardano hit its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 on September 2, 2021. 5. What is the most reduced cost of Cardano? As indicated by CoinMarketCap, ADA hit its unsurpassed low of 1 cent on October 1, 2017. 6. Will Cardano hit $1? In the event that Cardano becomes one of the dynamic digital currencies that significantly keep a bullish pattern, it could energize to hit $1 soon. 7. What will be the Cardano cost by 2024? Cardano cost could reach $2 by 2024. 8. What will be the Cardano cost by 2025? Cardano cost could reach $4 by 2025. 9. What will be the Cardano cost by 2026? Cardano cost could reach $6 by 2026. 10. What will be the Cardano cost by 2027? Cardano cost could reach $8 by 2027.